Way back in ancient Ephesus, around 535 to 475 BCE, Heraclitus was a brilliant mind, uncovering the secrets of the universe. He had a revelation that shook the foundations of our understanding. Everything is constantly changing. You may have heard the famous quote, "You can't step into the same river twice." That's Heraclitus summarizing his philosophy in a nutshell. He believed that change is the only thing we can truly rely on in this world. Just as the river flows, so does life. For Heraclitus, fire was more than just a source of warmth or a way to make s'mores. It symbolized the essence of life itself. Fire represents the never-ending cycle of change, the continuous process of breaking free from the old and embracing the new. Just as a fire consumes and transforms, so does life. One of Heraclitus's most intriguing ideas was the harmony of opposites. He believed that opposing forces must work together to create something amazing. Just like the tension in a great debate leads to brilliant ideas, it's in the collision of opposites that new perspectives arise and true understanding is reached. Despite only having fragments of his work, Heraclitus's thoughts on change and conflict have captivated philosophers for centuries. His ideas have stood the test of time, fueling endless discussions and debates. Even today, we search for answers in his ancient wisdom. If you're fascinated by the concept of constant change and want to delve deeper into Heraclitus's wild ideas, join us on a journey back in time. Subscribe to FactUp's The World Philosophers series and explore Heraclitus's profound thoughts. Get ready to immerse yourself in ancient wisdom and embrace the ever-changing nature of the universe.